Hey guys and girls, welcome back to my channel. My name is Minnie and today I'm going to do a fresh, soft spring look for you guys. I am going to use the product from Inglot. I found this at the iMats and I just fell in love with it. And today I'm going to show you a nice, pretty, sparkly spring look with it. Using the Makeup Forever foundation in the color Y255, I'm going to apply my foundation. I feel like this foundation is pretty soft, pretty easy application. Using the Nars Medium 1 Custard Concealer, I'm going to conceal under my eyes, get rid of all that ickiness. Use the brush S121 and set my foundation with the powder finish from Prairie in the color Cameo. Then I'm going to use my brush S100 and just slightly brush the same powder finish all over my face, just to set everything down, make everything flawless. Using the Anastasia Sugar Glow Kit, I'm going to highlight my face right now. The high cheekbones right here. Ooh. I'm using the color Marshmellow. I feel like the look is more like Easter, springish. Highlight my chin right here and my eyebrow bone. Using the brush S111, highlighting everything. The tip of my nose and the Cupid's bow. For eyebrows, I'm going to use the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil in the color number 4. Now I'm going to do my eyeshadow. I'm going to use the Modern Renaissance Anastasia palette. And the color I'm going to use is Raw Sienna. Right here. Get into the hollows of my eyes. And then blend it out. I'm loving this palette because it comes with a brush, and I feel like these brushes are so easy to use. If you're on the go and you need to run out quick, or like you travel light, then this is something so convenient. I'm gonna kind of wing out a little bit the ends of my eyes, the outer corners of my eyes, to give it more like drama. Then go underneath my eyes right here. This color is very neutral, very soft, and I think it's perfect for this look. To define some more, I'm going with Cypress Umbra. In the outer corners of my eyes, give it more depth. This is basically to have the base color and to transition my eyelids to my eyebrow bone. Go underneath the eyes as well with Cypress Umbra. And just kind of give it a nice base color. We were just kids when we fell in love, not knowing what it was. I will not give you up this time, darling. Just I don't even know the lyrics. Okay, let's focus. Perfect tonight. Okay, that is my transitioning color. That is the base color, and now I'm going to move on to these amazing glitters that I got from iMats. I'm going to start off with the color. They're all so pretty, I don't know which one to use. But Inglot gives you this Duraline mixing liquid, and basically you can just kind of intensify your glitter with this product right here. So I'm just going to get a little bit of it and put it on my hand like this. And then with my brush, S143 Hakuhodo Brush, and get some of this color right here. They don't have a name to it, it just has a number. So this one is 117, and it's such a pretty blue color right there. Mix it in with the color, the Duraline, apply it on top of your eyes. So pretty. It's like a mermaid. I think that if you kind of just dab it onto your eyes, then you have more coverage. If you just kind of like pull it like this, then it'll kind of be a little bit streaky. The Duraline, it kind of helps, but I feel like if you were to use the Maron, that would be better. So use the powder from Inglot and use the mixing liquid from Maron. Let it go, let it go. Moving on to this Inglot color in number 113, I'm going to go in the outer creases of my eyes. All right, I just mixed that color right here. See how pretty that is? Then I'm gonna take this and put it in the outer creases of my outer eye right here. Give it a change of color. Just kind of give it a nice gradient and pat everything down. Then move forward towards the under eye. Okay, quickly work on my other eye. Okay, my eyeshadow is done. It took forever because this is my first time using the Inglot Duraline mixing liquid, and seriously, it just takes too long to dry. And maybe some people like to take their time and kind of like dab it into their eyelids and kind of like wait until the certain color is there for them. But for me, I just like kind of do it so like fast that it's just not drying fast enough for me. And so when I open my eyes, I'll get some creases in there, and I do see that it's starting to like clump up a lot. I don't know how it's gonna look like when it's dry, but right now it's looking very clumpy. I think when you're using powders like this or like glitter, it's best to use a better mixing liquid like Maron. I love that liquid. I will show you in another tutorial. But since this is already on, I'm just gonna have to deal. Blend this baby out. Can't be looking like a hot mess. Clumps like no other. Here, it took me forever to put this on. Whew. All right, let's move on to eyeliner. I just popped on some of my lashes from my lash line. It's called Poupee right here. This is in the style Dramatic. If you guys want some, email me. And now I'm going to apply some Uemura Petal Lash Mascara on the bottoms of my eye. Mascara is done. I'm going to line my bottom waterline with the Uemura Calligraphy eyeliner. Moving on to blush, I'm using the Tarte Pate blush. Slightly put it on my cheeks, give it some color, smile. Contour my nose using this brush right here. I'm going to use the Hoola Benefit bronzer. They only have two kinds. It used to be just this color, but they recently came out with lighter ones. So if you have a fair skin, then that would be something you'd be interested in. But for me, I kind of like this color. It's already light anyway. Just get a little bit and contour the nose. You should also highlight the nose, the tip of the nose, the bridge of the nose right here. Bring it out, some on the chin extra, and the inner corners of the eyes. But don't get rid of that blue color because it's kind of nice. This is in the color Marshmellow, which is the same color we used over here on the cheeks and the eyebrow bone. And then also underneath your eyebrows, just to define the eyebrows a little bit more. Last thing for this look is the lips. I'm going to use the color Muneca in the Everlasting Liquid Lipstick by Kat Von D. It's a nice nude color, complements the whole look and it won't take away from the eyes. This lipstick is very bright and like Barbie-ish. I'm going to contour the outer parts of my lips using the Pat McGrath's Bare Rose Lip Liner. I'm gonna go outside the lip liner, outside the color a little bit, and just kind of shade it in. The outer corners are here and also right here. Same thing on the upper lip line. Alright guys, this should complete my look. Very fresh, very soft. The only thing about this look that I had trouble with is the Inglot mixing liquid. It was just like everywhere. I feel like every time I put it on my eyes, it started to water up and it was so difficult to just work with. The product right here, the glitters work really well with other products like the MAC Fix Plus or the Miron, because right now this Duraline is making me water up so much and I had to go back and forth to try to fix it. But all in all, the colors are really nice for Inglot. It's just that Duraline mixing liquid is just crazy right now and I'm just hating it. So that's my recommendation. Do not buy it. Don't buy the Duraline. Oh my god, I'm watering up right now like no other. Like I put it in my eyes and my eyeliner, which is a waterproof eyeliner, is like starting to come off and that's never happened before. So this Duraline stuff is just like basically oil. I think it's oil because why would my water and my makeup start to fall to pieces right now? Anyway, hope you guys like this look. Thanks for watching.